Hello, Quilty Peeps. I'm Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I'm also the Activities Director for the Dallas Modern Quilt Guild, and in this video, I'm going to be demonstrating our September block lottery. What are we doing? We're doing a windmill block, y'all. Super fast, super simple, 2 cuts, sew that thing back together. Unit size is 4 because these blocks go together so quickly. Also, I want to mention, if you've got some big prints that you don't know what to do within your stash, this is a perfect time to get those out and cut them up and put them into one of these windmill blocks. Also, your other fabric, you're going to want to have a lot of contrast. So if you've got some of the big print, do something with little or something linear, but a lot of contrast. Also, I want to say, if you've got a fabric in your stash and you're like, oh, why did I buy that? This is the perfect place to use that also. And whoever wins these will be big and scrappy and bold, and the blocks will be fabulous. So happy sewing, y'all. I can't wait to see y'all at the September meeting, and happy sewing. Okay, I'm starting out with my 2 prints. I have cut each of these out at 10 inches square, and I'm going to lay one on top of the other. And then we're going to make some cuts. I'm really not that concerned with where I'm lining this up. We'll just line it up somewhere. It's going to work out. There's one cut. Let's line this up over here. Okay. So we're just going to line this up. I'm going to take this. I'm going to sew this together. We'll do the other side. I'll press this block, and then we'll sew this other block together, and that is block lottery for September. Let me go sew this up, and I'll be back. Okay. There's first block. Okay, let me go sew this block up. Okay, here's my second block. And then before we trim those up, so here are my other 2 blocks. So you can see I have a lot of contrast in these 2 fabrics. So I'm just going to, just like I did the other ones, I'm going to line these one on top of the other. Pick a spot. There we go. Pick another spot. I'm not too particular, I'm just eyeballing it. And again, let's just separate these. You see, this block also a lot of contrast. I love it. Okay, let's go sew these, and then we'll trim these up, and then you can see what they look like as a small sample. And then it gives you a good idea of what we can expect at the meeting. Okay, let's trim these up. We're going to trim these up to 9 inches. Okay, These are trimmed up. Let's lay them out. Actually, let's lay them out like this. So you can see these are all laid out, and we have this all laid out scrappy. Whoever wins these are going to be fabulous. Happy sewing, y'all. I hope you enjoy this block. I look forward to seeing y'all at the meeting, and happy Block Lottery.